Here's how you can connect your Supabase MCP with your Claude Code. First, open your Supabase project on a browser. Next, open the Project Overview tab. Once you have it open, go down to the MCP Get Connected in the MCP. Here, you can select which client you want to connect it with. And if you want to do read-only operations, toggle it to read-only. Otherwise, keep it as it is if you want to write to your Supabase using this. Next, you can add the MCP server. Here, the most important part is the scope. If you want to connect it with your project only, then keep it as it is. If you want to connect it with all your users, all users, then you can simply remove the scope project. Make it scope user if you want to connect it to only one user. Otherwise, it will be added to all users. So as you can see, now file has been added. Next is let's validate. Open Claude, click on MCP, and here you will notice Supabase is present over here. Let's authenticate. Once you click on Authenticate, it will open the browser for the authentication. Here, it is connected to only one project, so mathly.live, and it has read and write permissions. I will click on Authorize so that it gets authentication. So authentication is successful. It will automatically return it. Yeah, so here also authentication is successful. Now, the next part is you can install a skill so that Supabase knows that how to add, how to do perform different actions. But I have only one table, so I'll just validate that. So let's go to the tables. Here you see I have a sales table. I will ask a question like, okay, I will just say, can you tell me what is the top selling product? And it is going to check the DB connection. So as you can see, database schema. And here it is calling Supabase to check the database schema first, because it doesn't know which table it is, what type of columns they have. Now it is running the command. And here in the top selling product by revenue is Laptop Pro. As you will notice over here, it is total amount is this, which is highest. Yeah, and you can also use it for adding more information, more sample data, whatever it is. That is all. If you want to know more about connecting MCPs, please check out my other videos. Thank you so much.